This is a brand new 2014 Kia Optima. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, speed-sensitive volume controls, high-intensity headlights, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, a sport-tuned suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, side impact airbags, a pass-through rear seat, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.